Hello guys, welcome back. So farm power and machinery oda previous year's question paper solved and explanation paper பார்க்கலாம். So இது உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். Who are preparing for AA exam, GATE exam as well as for other examinations. So பார்க்கலாம் ஃபர்ஸ்ட்ல இருந்து first question பார்க்கலாம். Soil tillage consists of, actually what are the purpose of the soil tillage? It is the mechanical manipulation of the soil. So mechanical manipulation of soil, so it can break the component, break the soil. It can break the soil as well as it can loosen the soil, and it penetrates it enables the roots of crops to penetrate, enables roots of the crop to penetrate into the soil, So these are the things the tillage operations done, penetrate into the soil. So here it can break the soil, it can loosen the soil. So both A and B is the correct answer. அடுத்த question பார்க்கலாம். So a common type of duster, actually duster, what is duster? It is used for spraying the chemical in the dust form. Okay, chemical in dust form. So another thing about the duster is it can use the air streams. Okay, it can use the air streams to carry the pesticides in the finely divided dry forms. It carry the pesticides in dry form. Okay, there are 4 types of duster. So 4 types of duster. One is a plunger type, another one is a knapsack type, another one is the rotary type, and another is a power operated duster. Okay, power operated duster. So these are dusters which are in a common type. Okay, so all the above is the correct answer here. So next question. Swirl plate is a part of, so it is a part of the cone nozzle. Okay, cone nozzle, this cone nozzle imparts the rotation to liquid passing through it. சரிங்களா, passing through it. So you clearly note down that there are 4 types of nozzles present in the important in spraying the liquids. So this flat fan nozzle, so it is used to, it produces a line of spray. Okay, it produces a line of spray. Another one is a hollow cone nozzle. So it produces a ring of spray. Okay, a ring of spray. So another one is a full cone nozzle. So it produces solid circle of spray. Okay, and then these are these types of nozzles. It actually these nozzles have an angle of, nozzles on field sprays have an angles of 60 degree to 90 degree. Okay, commonly. So the pressure varies, operating pressure varies between, of nozzle varies between it varies below 1.5 kg per centimeter square. Okay, so this is the thing you know about the nozzles. So for this, option B is the correct answer, cone nozzle. Next question. In carburetor type petrol engines, the fuel is ignited by, actually when you see this, there is a carburetor, we can ignite the engine by electric spark. Okay, so option B is the correct answer. Next question. Inertial forces perpendicular to dash causes the engine to shake. So inertial forces perpendicular to the, so it is not a camshaft connecting not accelerated, it is a crankshaft. So inertial force perpendicular to the crankshaft causes the engine to shake. Okay, Next question. In disk harrow, the spacing between the disks is maintained by. So, it is known as spool or spacer. Okay. So this is, so it can usually keeping the distance, uh, keeping the disk at equal spacing. This spool keep the disks at equal spacing. So it is made up of cast iron. So cast iron is used, and then it is also known as spacer. This spool is known as spacer. So then what is gang angle? Know about what is gang angle? So gang angle means, so it is the angle between the line of, between the axis of the gang and line perpendicular to the direction of travel. This is known as gang angle in disk arrow, perpendicular to the direction of travel. So coming to the gang axle, so gang axle or arbor axle, we can tell this is arbor axle. So it can be used. What is the purpose of this? So it is a shaft on which a set of discs are mounted. So this gang axle means a set of discs are mounted. So for light duty harrows, the spacing between the discs is about 15 centimeter to 30 centimeter. For heavy duty harrows, the spacing between the discs varies from 25 to 30 centimeter. Okay, 25 to 30 centimeter. Please note it down. These are the important points and expected questions in the upcoming examinations. Okay, hope you understand this. Next question. In constant mesh type transmission system, the gears generally used are, so in constant mesh type, helical gears are used. So option A is the correct answer. We can use a helical type gears in constant mesh type transmission. So next question. It is the machine to cut the crops and ties them into neat and uniform sheaves. So what is the machine? It is not a mower. It is not a reaper. It is used to cut the crops, but it does not ties them into neat and uniform sheaves. So reaper binder can be used. Okay. So it is to cut the crops and ties them into uniform sleeves. So reaper binder is used. Next question. In rotary duster, the handle should be cranked for efficient performance at. So you want to know the efficient performance. So cranking A. So 35 to 35 RPM. So option A is the correct answer. So next question. Device used to control the engine speed within the specific limit is known as, so it is not a choke or turbocharger or carburetor, it is a governor. Okay. So coming to the governor part, governor can be divided into hit and miss system. So another type is throttle system. Okay. Throttle system. So in hit and miss system, it is used in gas engines. The explosions are measured intermittently in hit and miss system. So that only the name itself provided hit and miss system. Explosion are measured intermittently. Okay. Intermittently. So coming to this, here in throttle system, the air fuel mixture amount in intake changes. So air fuel mixture, the amount of air and fuel mixture in intake, it can changes by using the throttle system. Air and fuel mixture intake changes. So automatically there is no power in the engine. Automatically the speed of the engine is also limited. So this throttle system can be divided into centrifugal governor, pneumatic governor, pneumatic governor, and hydraulic governor. Okay, these are the three types of governor, hydraulic governor, okay, centrifugal governor, pneumatic governor, and hydraulic governor. So here the question for the correct answer is governor. Okay, so these are the things for basically you want to know. Basically தெரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க. Next question. As per the ASAE standards, the speed PTO when operating under loads. When operating under load, the speed of the PTO is varies from 540 plus or 10 RPM. Okay. So option A is the correct answer, 540 plus or 10. So next question. In cultivator with rigid tins, the working depth is controlled by. So the working depth can be controlled by pair of gauge wheels. Okay, pair of gauge wheels. So this rigid tin cultivator, it cannot deflect. It do not deflect during the working in field. Do not deflect working in the field. Okay, working in the field. What then other things to know about the rigid tin is cultivator do not deflect working in field. So and then so gauge wheel is the correct answer. It speaks not spikes. So next question. Under tractor testing in the test of main power takeoff at varying load conditions, the observation are taken corresponding to the 84% of the torque and the maximum power. So here 2 times it is mentioned, it is minimum power. Okay. So both A and B is the correct answer. Next question. The ply rating of tires used in tractors. So what is ply rating? Ply rating is the tire strength factor. So it is used to identify a particular size of a tire with its load carrying capacity. Okay, it is used to identify the particular size of a tire. So this ply rating can be used in tractors are 4,6 ply or 8 ply rating. Okay, so option A is the correct answer. Another thing you know about this size and ply rating is to identify the size of a tire. So you can see this type of markings in tires. So this 12.6 represents the nominal cross-sectional width. Okay, nominal cross-sectional width. So and this 38 inches represents the rim diameter. Okay, rim diameter. So next time when you see the tractor, you can go through this. 12.6 represents a nominal cross-sectional width. Okay, nominal cross-sectional width. So we can lay out the diagram here like this. So this width represents the 12.6 inches and this represents the rim diameter 38 inches. Okay, so this is how you find the size of the tire. So next question. A hand hoe can be attached with, so it can attach with blade, tire, disc, all the above. Option D is the correct answer. Next question. The mechanism of the seed drill or fertilizer distributor which deliver the seeds or fertilizers from the hopper at selected rate is called. So it is known as metering mechanism. It is not boot or for opener. It is known as metering mechanism. Next question. Sticky belt method is associated with. So sticky belt method means it can be associated with seed drill only. So it is associated with testing of the seed uniformity. So this testing of seed uniformity can be divided into two types. One is a sticky belt method, and another one is a sand bed method. Okay, sand bed method is, so in sticky belt method 10-meter long belt is travel under the furrow openers where the speed of the belt is equal to the running speed of the drill. So by this method we can easily test the uniformity of the seed, testing of the seeding uniformity. So thank you. we can see in the next lectures and the upcoming questions.